Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another day of Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, and it's August 29th. Kind of active news releases to go over today, so we'll start off with the Case-Shiller home prices for the month of June. So the previous reading back in May, it was 5.7%, and it went up to 5.8% in June. So good numbers right there. We're still seeing the 20 largest markets showing improvement, still showing some growth, and this is a pretty healthy area to be at. Anywhere between 4 and 6% is considered pretty healthy, so and very sustainable. So great job in those areas. We also got, last but not least, the consumer confidence for the month of August. So back in July, we had 120 on the index rating. Forecast supposed to be at 122.5, and it came up to 122.9. So pretty much right in line with expectations. So right now we got the headline news. Stock market is, well, my bad. I'm sorry. Stock market is actually down. Now, I guess we had Korea on the brain because that's pretty much what the stock market is taking as cue today. So stock market is down. It went down a lot further. It's kind of pulled back a little bit in the process. The Dow actually was even down over 100, and I think it's pulled back to between 15 and 30 at one point. But it's all due to basically North Korea here. And what did North Korea do? If you haven't heard, basically they fired some more missiles above Japanese airspace, and of course that's creating a lot more tensions. This is kind of drawing their sand line in the sand a little bit further out this time, and there might be some repercussions as they're going into our allies, U.S. allies, airspace. Also, to touch off Hurricane Harvey, some more news on that. Looks like it's going to make a second comeback. They're expecting to return back into the Houston area again this week, which could translate another 20 inches of rain, which they're figuring that total will be approximately 50 inches, I believe they said. So it's, again, the poor people in that area are just aren't getting a break, it appears. So again, our thoughts and prayers are out to those people. We hope they can get through this really quickly, and the rest of America is here to help. So anyways, our wishes and thoughts are with those people. So let's go ahead and take a look here at the bond market, and as a result, bond market is getting blessed in this area. As you can see, we've been kind of going this upward trend, which is good for the bonds here. And now we're kind of getting to that upper point here. We passed initially these were our resistance, we're having a hard time getting above these, but now we did go above that. We're approaching almost a pre-election levels right now. The yield is actually down to, at one point, it was at 2.09. It was right around between 2.09 and 2.11 right now so far this morning. And so those have dropped quite a bit, which is helping out bonds as well and helping out interest rates. So right now, from where we see at this point, where we left off yesterday and to where we are currently, we're up about 14 basis points, which does translate to better pricing here on interest rates. So great levels. So again, we're starting to approach what we saw back in November before the election, when we had about half a point increase in the rate. So alright, so that pretty much concludes that, but if you guys want to get more updates throughout the day, just come over to Twitter. You can find me under Mike Bjork on Twitter and get the updates as they come. You guys have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching. I'll look forward to see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.